Hi everyone, it's Nisha. So you have been asking me over and over to show you how I do my hair like this. It is very easy, I do it all the time. So today I thought I will show you how I do it. So this is pretty easy. It's best if you do it on a second or even third day hair. This is my third day hair. All I did this morning is sprayed a bit of dry shampoo on it. Didn't really need to, but it depends how quickly your hair goes greasy. Another reason why you should do it on a second or third day is because when your hair is fresh, it's very smooth, very flyaway, and it just doesn't stay in place as good. Also, you know, whenever I wash my hair and style my hair straight, I've got a video on that. I usually put I crimp my roots at the top, so you see after that I just need to do that and I get all this volume. So I will link this video how I style my hair straight, because you will see there where I crimp my hair. Or if I didn't crimp my hair, I might have back combed and hairsprayed the top, and that will do it as well. Your hair will sort of stay up for the next couple of days. Okay, all you need is really a brush and hair elastic, and I also have the clip because I wear this hairstyle two ways. I can wear it as a bump ponytail, or from that ponytail I clip my hair up if I want a bit of a pineapple effect at the top. Okay, so the first thing we do is very gently, don't brush it right through to the root, because obviously that's where you've got all the volume. Just gently brush it back. Now this is very important how you're going to gather your hair to the back. Don't brush it up like this as if you were doing high ponytail, because you won't get that effect. How you need to brush it is brush it down. Okay, like this. So can you see where I have this ponytail? I will bring it a bit higher, and now I will make a ponytail here. Okay, so it's, I don't know, that far from the bottom. Now what I'm going to start doing is, as I'm tightening this ponytail, bringing it up. Okay, so I brought it up a bit. Now I'm going to start pulling my hair at the top, and I'm holding here so I don't pull too much. You pull as much as you want. Now at the same time I'm going again to keep bringing that ponytail up, and I keep repeating that. So I keep pulling my ponytail up and then pulling this hair up. Sometimes you will need to take it off and do it again. Like here, this hasn't worked, so I'm going to take it off and do it again. I feel maybe like I need to have my top a bit more matted, so I love this brush for this. It's like a mixture of real bristles and plastic bristles. This is from Denman, and I just do this because sometimes my bump, I've got very fine hair, so sometimes my bump really separates, so it's good to, some days I don't have to do it, but some days I do. Okay, let's do it again. You see, now I've got already better bump. Okay, bring it up. Yeah, that's good that I've shown you at the beginning what I'm doing at the back, and now I can just look in the mirror and concentrate. So I just keep doing that. Pulling it, bringing it up till I have a nice big bump. Now I'm going to take some of this hair out. And you just keep doing that till you're happy. And you know, this is supposed to look messy. This is not a smooth, sleek hairstyle. I will show you the back in a minute, but I feel like I need to pull, because I like, you know, big hair. I like my bump to be quite high. Now smooth very gently the bump. Now I'm going to take care of the front, so I'm going to pull out my fringe. I sometimes pull some bits out of here, just so they, you know, it's very messy, so I get like this messy look. Okay, so this is like a bun ponytail. So this is one way I wear it. So that's all there is to it. But sometimes if I want this hair up, I will from here use one of these. Now, if you have fine hair like me and your hair is not, you know, your ponytail is not very thick and all this is not very thick, I've told you this before. Remember, when you're buying one of these clips, look at this gap here. You know, like some clips, when they close, the gap is really big. That is not really good for fine hair to hold it up. It will be falling out and it won't hold your hair in. You need to always make sure that when this clip is closed, you've got very small gap here. So then what I do, I put that pony up and I just clip it. And this way I get that sort of pineapple effect. So that's it. That's how I do my hair. And as you know, especially in my vlogs, when you see me, if I don't go anywhere, that's how I wear my hair all the time. You know, I know you might think third day hair is a bit gross, but my hair never really looks that greasy. And I don't want to unnecessarily keep washing my hair and styling it, because, you know, it damages it. So yeah, that's all it takes. Okay, my lovelies, I hope this was helpful, this very short tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.